This is what society does to individuals over time.
No, I just gotta hurry up and get back to this meeting real quick.
But we found a solution.
We found out that 6th grade students are the least individualistic.
So we made a plan to go to Avery Elementary and work with the students about being an individual.
We visited each 6th grade class at Avery Elementary, one each day.
We started by separating each class into small groups. We asked each group to write down what individualism was. We discussed with them the definition of individualism and why it is important to be an individual. After we were done talking to them, we asked them to write down how they were individuals. Here are some things they wrote down. The last thing we did with them in small groups was an activity called 2 Truths and a Lie. They wrote down 3 things about themselves, and we had to guess which one was a lie. Next, we all played the name game. This is an activity where the kids break into groups and are asked questions like, who has the most interesting middle name, or who has the most interesting hairstyle. They then vote on who they think it is, then that person goes to join a new group. The kids really had a fun time getting up and moving around on this one. The last thing we did was have the kids write down one thing about themselves on a piece of paper. They would then exchange the papers with a partner across the room and write down another thing about themselves on that new piece of paper. In the end, it becomes a list of a bunch of different handwritings and cool things. It's a great way to show kids how many things they have that are unique about themselves. When it was time for us to go, the kids hated to see us leave. They didn't want to go to music class because they wanted to talk about themselves more. The kids absolutely loved to learn things about each other and also learn about how they themselves were unique in their own way. Our project definitely succeeded in teaching kids the importance of being their own person, and they had tons of fun while doing it.